We're in sunny Southern Cal today, and we're going to ride the renowned Santiago Canyon Road. We just passed Cook's Corner on the right, the famous motorcycle hang. We're going to enter in from the south. This road stretches roughly 9 miles. Connects El Toro Road with Route 241 to the north. We're going to head through some really nice canyon country. There's bikers on this road, so it's a good idea to take it easy. We get a lot of our oranges from this part of the country, hence the name Orange County. In fact, some of the first orange groves were planted here back in the 1800s. The pavement's in pretty good shape for the most part. I mean, it's got some tar snakes and some cracks here and there, but not bad, you know. I mean, it's also clear of debris. I don't see any debris on this road at all. This road offers some really nice sweeping curves and straightaways. Speed limit here is 55. I mean, you can do 60, 65, but quite frankly, 55 is a nice cruising speed. This area is pretty rich in history, originally home to Native Americans and later settled by Spaniards in the mid-1700s. These canyons are also rich in minerals. In fact, they mine for silver ore and coal. Nearby here stands the Santiago Peak, one of the highest points in the area, rising to about 5,700 feet. The views from up there must be breathtaking. I hear there's some really great hiking here in the canyons as well. One of the more popular trails is the Black Star Canyon Falls Trail. Takes you out to a nice waterfall. I'm riding midweek, so and I chose it for a reason because I didn't want a lot of traffic. I just wanted a nice clean road to ride. So it seems like I made the right choice. Midweek is the way to go. I want to extend special thanks to Caitlin Fine over at Edge of Adventures. She rented me this really brand new, really nice BMW 850 GS Rally. Love this bike, man. It's just the best. Does everything well, very well balanced. Twisties great, straightaways, got plenty of power. Good fun. Thank you, Caitlin. There's something really wonderful about being able to travel to a destination that you haven't visited before, rent a bike locally, and just ride those roads. It's just nothing like it, man. It's just, I mean, we all ride our local roads that we're used to. But when you get on a road that you haven't seen before, a destination that you haven't been to before, it's a real pleasure. I'm very grateful that I'm able to do this. I encourage all riders just to get out of the norm. Travel to a part of the land that you haven't been to before, or a country you haven't been to before. Pick a point A and a point B and just go, you know. Just travel the unknown. I mean, that's why we ride, right? We're all risk takers, adventurous. And riding a bike is just the best way to explore. There's just nothing like it. The experience just changes us. Well, there you have it. That's the Santiago Canyon Rd in SoCal, Orange County. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Ride your ride. Ride safe. And we'll catch you on the next one.